Similar reteaching problems like 11.5. So our central tendency. Now a lot of this is just on your calculator. If you don't know how to do that, you should go back to Edpuzzle and look on Edpuzzle the calculator portion. So you have to go to Stat, Edit, L1. You have to clear it, don't delete it. Put in all of your data points. Stat, move over to calculator. 1 variable statistics. Push enter until it actually calculates. Make sure you push enter until it actually calculates. And then, bing, bada, boom. Calculator's so smart, it gives you all their information. Your mean. So this value right here is your mean. So 44.75. Median. MED, that's your median. 44.5. Mode is your most often. This is something you have to look at. You have to look at your mode most often. So most often here is 41. Range is your largest number. 53 minus your smallest number, your minimum, that'd be 18. Q1 is 41. Q3 is 50. Interquartile range is your Q3 minus Q1. So in this case, it's 9. Now I'm going to draw a box and whisker. Now my minimum was 35. My maximum was 53. I'm going to probably start my tick mark at, I'm going to just do 30, and I'm going to count up by 5. So 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So first I always like to do my minimum. My minimum is 35. Here's my minimum, 35. And my maximum is 53, so a little below. This right here is my 53. And then my Q1 is 41. My middles are lines, my middle, so my Q1, my median was 44.5, so a little to the left. And Q3 was 50. So I have my box. My middles make the boxes. My min and max make my whiskers. And again, a couple of things about your box and whisker. There should be a space right here. No space, not full credit. Make sure that this is the median, not the mean. Median, the middle. And make sure that this number line is about evenly spread out. So each one are 5 points, so that's why I did my number line first before I actually did my other part. Now to percentiles. So when I'm doing my percentiles, the first thing I have to do is put them into my L1 like before. Now you have to make sure to sort. So again, that's sort, and we want ascending. You have to go to your second key, then push 1, so this says L1. Push enter. Go back into your edit. Now you can do this. So when I'm doing this 30%, if I look, I have 20 different data points here. So I have 20 points, and it's asking for 20 or 30%. So I times it by my points 3. So that'd be 6. So I'm looking at 6 below. So in your calculator, you have to look for your 7th number. You're looking for the number that has 6 numbers below it. And you have to have these in order. If they're not in order, you're not going to get the answer correct. So that'd be 46 would be my 30th percentile. Again, 46 means I have 30% below that number. So 80th percent, again, I have 20 data points multiplied by my 80%. So that would be 16. So I'm looking for 16 below. So I'm looking for my 17th number. My 17th number, again, you look in your edit. If your L1 would be 88. 88 is your 17th number. Last two problems, so I'm going opposite of it. So now the opposite, so I'm looking for my percentile rank. So same type of thing here, you're looking for below. So first when I look at my list, I'm looking for number 72. Number 72 shows up as 12. So that means that there is 11 numbers below it, and there's a total of 20 numbers. Again, 72 is your 12th number, so there is 11. That's why I have 11 up here, and there's a total of 20 numbers. So if you do 11 divided by 20, you would get equal to 55%. So it's 55th percentile. And my last one. So if I look at 50, if I look into my list, again, you have to make sure to have it sorted. If it's not sorted, it's not correct. 50th is your 10th number, so you have 9 numbers below it. That's where the 9 comes from. There are 9 numbers below it. 9 divided by 20 would give you your 45th percentile. And bing bada boom, those questions are like the reteaching, which are also like the quiz questions. Have a good one.